Okay, so I have a rebounding tip for you. This guy, I think number 3 here, he's gonna get the rebound, but I'm gonna be ready under him to grab it. It's kind of like he brings it to me, as you see there. Then he's grabbed me. I'll get an and one opportunity here. But yeah, so as he's bringing the ball down from up high, I just stuck my hand into his, mikä tää on, syliin. Kättä sinne syliin vaan ja let's see full speed now. Yeah, I don't even need to jump, like he gets it for me there. Yeah, easy stuff.